Superstars! My name is Miss Eber. This is my virtual classroom and welcome to Superstar Parking. Last episode, I taught you guys an awesome strategy that you can use when you're adding. So today, I'm going to be teaching you another strategy that you can use to add numbers together. But before we begin, you guys know the rules. I need everyone to take their right hand, put it inside your imaginary backpack, pull out your math thinking cap, put it on, turn it on, kiss your brain, and let's get ready to learn. So the strategy I'm teaching you guys today is called break apart. What does that mean to break apart? Well, when we are breaking apart a number, we are going to break it apart by its place value. I don't know about you guys, but that sounds really confusing. So before we take a look at our problem, I have an awesome surprise for you guys today. It's not really a surprise for you guys, but it's going to be a surprise for my brother, Franklin. So I wanted to do something funny to prank my brother since his birthday is in just a few days. But before we get to the prank and all the fun stuff, let's take a look at my problem and let's use the break apart strategy I'm going to be teaching you today. All right, guys, so remember how Mr. Johnny is a baker and last time he baked us those awesome cupcakes? So I called Mr. Johnny up and I had to ask him a really important question. Since Franklin's birthday is coming up, I wanted to bake Franklin an awesome cake, but I wanted to know, were cupcakes or cakes more popular? So when I called Mr. Johnny, he told me this month he sold 355 cakes.
Wow.
He also told me he sold 214 cupcakes. So then I had a thought, what if I could add those numbers together and tell Mr. Johnny how many cupcakes and cakes he sold all together this month? When I hear the word altogether, I know that I'm going to be adding. Before we add these numbers together, let's break apart the numbers by their place value. So my first number is 355. Let's first look at the hundreds place. I can see that there are 3 hundreds, so that means that there is a total of 3 hundreds in the number 355. When I'm looking at my tens place, I see the number is 5, so that means that there are 50 tens. And when I'm looking at my ones place, I can see that the number is 5, so that means that there are just 5 ones. So we broke apart 355 based on their place value. So let's just double check our work to make sure we did it correctly. As we can see, we have 355. So air high five because we did it. Now let's break apart my second number. Now when we're looking at 214, which is the amount of cupcakes Mr. Johnny sold, we could see in my hundreds place is the number 2, which equals 200. In my tens place is the number 1, which equals 10. And in my ones place is the number 4. So we just have 4 ones. So we completed my first step and we broke apart the numbers based on their place value. Now, my second step, let's add the place values together. Are you guys ready? Give me an air high five and kiss your brain if you think that you guys can help me solve this. In my ones place, I have the number 5 and the number 4. So when we add them together, we get the number 9. Now, when we're looking at my tens place, I see the number 50 and 10. So when we add them together, we now have the number 60. When we're looking at my hundreds place, we see the number 300 and 200. And we know 3 plus 2 equals 5. So I have 5 hundreds. You guys did an awesome job helping me add those numbers together. So we broke them apart based off their place value, and we can see we have 569. Now, since we broke apart the numbers, now let's put it back together to figure out the total amount of cupcakes and cakes that Mr. Johnny sold last month. So first I'm looking at my hundreds place, which is my greatest place value. And I see I have the number 500, which means I have 5 hundreds. In my tens place, I have 60, which equals 6 tens. So when we're looking at my ones place, I see the number 9, which means that we just have 9 ones. So when we combine all my place values together, we can see Mr. Johnny sold a total of 569 cupcakes and cakes. Wow, that is a lot. All right, superstars, you guys did an amazing job helping me use my strategy for today. Talking about cakes and cupcakes got me thinking. Since my brother's birthday is just a few days away, I decided to bake him a cake. Well, not really bake him a cake. Do you guys want to see it? All right, guys, I made this cake for my brother, but here's a secret that nobody knows. under the icing is actually a cardboard box. I wanted to prank my brother by having him cut a piece of cake and then realize it's not actually a cake. It's just a cardboard box. So can you guys keep a secret and help me prank my brother?
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go get my brother. Please don't tell him the surprise, and I hope that he's not super mad at me. So Franklin has no idea what's going on. I made him cover his eyes. So on the count of 3, uncover your eyes. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh.
Do you like it?
Yeah, happy birthday. It's because my birthday next week?
Yeah, I wanted to surprise you and make you a birthday cake.
Goodness, I'm so excited.
But you can't have it until I sing to you. So, ready?
I'm like so hungry, like it's gonna be hard. Okay, you ready? Go.
All right, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Franklin. Happy birthday to you. Woo! High five, happy birthday.
Thank you,
I can't believe you're getting older.
I know, I'm 22.
I know, I spent all night baking this cake.
Did you really?
Yes. So I actually got a knife and I wanted you to try some cake so my friends can see how much you like it.
Okay, but I want to cut the cake.
Okay.
I like big pieces.
You like big pieces? All right. So big pieces require a big knife. So here you go.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
no! What? Why is this cake so hard? Oops.
Why are you cutting it like that? Cakes are supposed to be soft.
You're a horrible cook. This is hard. This is a hard cake.
It's a hard cake? Do you not like my cake?
What the heck is this thing? Is this a box? What the? This is an Amazon box.
That's what happens when you go away for a week. I missed you, so I wanted to prank you.
Oh.
Actually, I have something that you could eat.
Oh, the icing.
You want some icing?
It's out of my face.
Happy
Oh.
birthday! Do you like the icing?
Yeah, the icing is good. Now I gotta take a shower. All right.
All right, guys, thank you so much for learning with me today. Thank you for being such a great sport. I'm sorry about your birthday cake. Maybe you'll get a good one on your actual birthday.
Yeah, I mean, this is the best part about the cake. I just love the icing. It's just so...
Oh my goodness.
Oh, she looks like a clown.
Ew.
Remember, who's holding the knife?
All right, superstars, I'm ready to get this icing off of my face and clean my hands. So thanks for learning with me. Thanks for coming, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.